The holiday season has arrived. While it can bring much joy, it is also the most wasteful season of the year. What happens when the holidays are over and it's time to discard your decor and gift wrapping? Americans tend to throw away roughly 25% more trash between Thanksgiving and New Year's compared to the rest of the year. But there are a few things you can do to upcycle your holiday items instead of sending them straight to the landfills. An estimated 4.6 million pounds of wrapping paper gets produced in the US annually, and about half of that ends up in the landfills. Unfortunately, not all wrapping paper is recyclable, including paper that has glitter, foil, and lamination. But it's not always obvious whether your wrapping paper can be recycled, so how do you find out? Try the scrunch test. Crumple the paper in a ball, and if it springs open to its original shape, it can't be recycled. But if it stays bunched up, it's most likely recyclable. For recyclable wrapping paper, you can always reuse it next year. Make cool decorative envelopes, use it as cabinet lining, turn it into a book cover, or even create bows with it. Cards are also a big source of holiday waste. Did you know that more than 2.65 billion holiday cards are sold annually in the US alone? That's enough to fill a football field 10 stories high, but they don't have to go into the trash. You can turn your holiday cards into cool gift tags. Cut out the decorated front section of cards and stick them on gifts. You can also send them to St. Jude's Ranch for Children Recycled's card program, and children will use them to create brand new cards. Ribbons are another big source of waste during the holidays, but if every family in the US reused 2 feet of holiday ribbon, it would add up to 38,000 miles, which could tie a bow around the entire planet. Not only is reusing ribbon good for the planet, it'll also save you money next year. Add them to an ugly holiday sweater, string them on ornaments, or tie them around a vase. You can also reuse Christmas lights that no longer light up by turning them into festive decor like garland and tree ornaments. And for all those old decorations you might have lying around your house, donate them instead of sending them to the landfill. Do you upcycle any holiday decor or gift wrapping? Let us know in the comments below.